Hi everyone, I hope you're all. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you. Thank you for liking these videos. Okay, please like this video as well. Thank you, and yeah, thank you for your support. So right now, XRP, it has wicked off this high at the moment. Okay, if we was to lose this high, I would imagine, you know, you're going to come down to this daily 20 and get a bounce off it. You're doing really well. Okay, you are doing really well. It's just coiling up for some kind of break, isn't it? All eyes on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's slowing down a bit. Like I said to you, if Bitcoin's going up, you know, your XRP is going to go up, and if Bitcoin comes down, your XRP is going to come down. It's correlated at the moment. There will be a bit of an inverse correlation in the alt season, basically. When Bitcoin goes up, cools off, comes back down, and starts to go back up. At that point, that's where the alts just go on their own, and you know, Bitcoin gets left behind, and you see that massive alt season, which is where, you know, usually XRP starts to go a little bit parabolic here. So it's doing everything it needs to. It's slowly going up the stairs. Look, and you run into a key level resistance, coming back to a key level support. You're holding this high at the moment. I think I said on the 15-minute time frame here, on the 4-hourly time frame. Sorry, I do apologise. You know, potentially, look, you're coming down, holding this swing high just there. Put some cheeky bids on this yellow line on the 4-hour. Tighten up, get the breakout. So we're looking for some kind of pattern here for a breakout. You know, you could potentially say it is some kind of falling, tightening wedge, just like this. Do you see this? It's tightening, isn't it? You know, so you're falling in a channel like that, and once you start to break out the resistance, you do usually come all the way back up to where you form the wedge. You'll find resistance at each point of contact, so you'll find a little bit of resistance just there at 125, and a little bit of resistance at the top of the wedge, which is around about 129. But I do think that once you start to break that 129, okay, you're looking explosive here, and I do think that you'll see a massive push up to that blue line, which is around about 142, which will be a key level resistance, potentially rolling back to a key level support. Okay, form some kind of handle, and you've got a huge cupping handle with a breakout, and then you're looking to go back and take out that local high at 190. You know, so it's just doing everything it needs to. You know, there was some kind of little falling pattern here. Look, it's falling. Oh no, it's going to zero, but then it bounces off key level support, starts to come up, runs into the resistance of where you formed the channel. Do you see that? Effectively some rising falling wedge within itself like that. Look, you're just forming bullish reversal patterns after bullish reversal patterns. So it's very similar. Come overextended, come back, breakout, come up, overextended, come back, support, breakout. So it's looking good. Okay, providing you can hold this swing high, like I said to you, could be a fantastic area to get some cheeky bids in. Break this level of resistance just there, start to come up. Worst case scenario, if you do start to lose this high, I do think you'll bounce off that red line like you did here. You lost this high, so you rolled down and where you find support on this previous trend line as support this horizontal, and then equally the 55 on the 4-hour. Okay, so you're really bullish, you know, but you do come up and you do come down. Yeah, it's normal. You want to see that. You know, you're retracing basically. You're coming up impulsively. You're retracing to a key level support and getting a breakout, and you could look at that. You could look at that as one kind of big bull flag, couldn't you? You know, if you look at it like that, it's just a bull flag. You know, you've broken up like that. Low resistance, slowing down, coming back on yourself, forming a falling wedge, get the breakout, boom, you're up there. You know, you could look at an explosive break here for XRP of around about 12%, leading up to the blue line, which is a 1618, which is around about 16% upside for XRP. So it's looking really healthy, providing you continue to do what you're doing and holding support for continuation in this uptrend that you're in, okay? Because, you know, you've broken out of a massive pattern here, which gives you a huge upside target, okay? But it's just slowly getting there. Like I says, patience is key with XRP. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Thank you for your support. Bye-bye.